I'm Éilis. I'm 22 years old and I just completed a final year product design at Maynooth University.
And I'm Peelo. I'm 21 and I just finished product design at Maynooth University. We're living proof that the lilies and the doves can work together to produce the goods. Admittedly, the All-Ireland Football Championship can put a strain on working relationships, but thankfully that never came to blows. Éilis kicks off about winning 5 times in a row, but I'm confident that together our alliance can win more accolades.
Nearly 50% of Irish teenage girls find it difficult to afford sanitary products. At present, homeless women have to go to donation banks to collect sanitary items, or use unsuitable items such as newspaper, toilet paper, or unwashed clothing.
From these findings, we wanted to create a solution that could help end period poverty. We came up with the product Tabrah. Tabrah is a menstrual cup and cleaning kit which can be used in place of a tampon, and it can last up to 10 years, making it cost-effective and environmentally friendly.
Menstrual cups have to be emptied and washed down between uses, but at the end of the cycle have to be sterilised. Sterilisation can be difficult without the access to boiling water. We explored many different options of sterilisation, such as adding a hygiene soap and spray, but our final solution was to add a UVC LEDs. UVC LEDs kill 99.9% of bacteria found on menstrual cups, so it was safe to say it was the best option for sterilisation without the need for water.
First, we evaluated the brief, which was given to us by Kim, who was an external lecturer, and we were given 6 weeks to do the project, which was actually quite a short process from start to finish. The grades were allocated in terms of the competition guidelines, but we didn't really think about entering the competition until we presented to the whole class at the end.
It was from visiting homeless shelters and taking part in soup runs we became aware of the issue of period poverty and that period products are not readily available. We also became aware of the negative environmental impact period products have. For example, it takes 600 years for a tampon to decompose, which is crazy. From there, we explored different methods of storage and sterilisation. We tested and prototyped, and we printed our final concept using the 3D printers in Maynooth Library.
Product design is about bringing about change in the world, and we're so grateful to have worked with some really talented designers here at Maynooth University. We'd like to thank them for their inspiration and their encouragement throughout our journey with Tabrah.